Arrive in style with this 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 LT1. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 320 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 5.3-liter V8 engine, adjustable pedals, power, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, bed length, 63.3 and Bluetooth. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.